Hi children, we have learned subtraction with borrowing. Now let us do word problems in subtraction with borrowing. Isn't it interesting? Let's watch, read and work out the sums slowly and correctly. We are doing word problems in subtraction with borrow. You know how to borrow now? Yes, after borrowing, you know how to subtract. Excellent. Let's look at our first word problem. Read with me. In a class, there are 42 students. Of them, 27 are boys. What is the number of girls in the class? Now, there are how many students? So, the total number of students in the class, we'll put it here under tens and ones. What is the number of students in the class? 42. So, we put here 4 tens to ones. Good. Then, of them 27 are boys. So, 42 minus 27 to 10, 7, 1. So, we have 42 students minus 27 boy students. Now, what is being asked? What is the number of girls in the class? 42 children, 27 boys. How many girls? Let's work out the sum together. 4 tens to 1, 2 tens, 7, 1. In the ones place, we have 2 on the top, 7 down. We cannot minus 7. Take away 7 from 2. Let's borrow 1 10 from the 4 tens. So, with the remaining is 3 tens. 1 10 plus 2 ones becomes 12 ones. Now, this 12 ones, we take away 7. From 12, take away 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is 5. 12, take away 7 is 5. Here you have 3 minus 3, take away 2 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 42, take away 27 boys. 42 students minus 27 boys gives you the answer 15 girls. So what is the answer? There are 15 girls in the class. 42 students, 27 boys. The answer is there are 15 girl students in the class. Did you enjoy working the sum? Good. Shall we take another problem? Good. Here we are. Let's read together. Rahul had 50 chocolates. He gave 25 chocolates to his brother. He had 50 chocolates. He gives away 25. Now, how many chocolates does he have now? How many chocolates? 50 he had, 25 he gave away. Let's work out the sum under ones and tens. Let's put. What is the number of chocolates? 50. 5, 10, 0, 1. Good. Now, how many he gave away? He gave away 25 chocolates. That means gave means minus 25. 2 and 5, 25. 50, take away 25. What is the answer? What is asked here? How many chocolates he has now? Ones and 10. 5, 1, 0. 5, 10, 0, 1. 5, 10, 0, 1 minus 2 tens, 5, 1. Now, let's go to the ones place. You have 0 on the top, 5 down. You cannot minus 5 from nothing. You cannot minus 5 from 0. Now, we have 5 tens here. Let us go borrowing. We go to the 5 tens and ask, please give 1 10. So, we minus from 5, we take away 1 10. That become minus 4 tens, and the 1 10 we'll bring it to the ones place. That becomes 10. 10 plus 0, 10. Now from 10 ones we take away 5 ones. The answer is 5. 10 take away 5. The answer is 5. And here you have 4 tens minus 2 tenths? The answer is 2 tenths. So, 4 minus 2 is 2. 50 minus 25 gives you 25. 50 chocolates, take away 25 chocolates minus 25. Answer is 25. What is the question? How many chocolates does he have now? He has 25 chocolates. Rahul has 25 chocolates with him now. Did you enjoy borrowing? Let's go to another sum. Look, read together. There were 36 birds sitting on a tree. How many birds sitting on a tree? 36. 28 birds flew away. How many birds are left on the tree? Under tens and one, let's put. The number of birds sitting on the tree is 3 tens, 6 ones. Number of birds sitting on the tree? 36. 3 tens, 6 ones. We put it down. Okay? 3 tens, 6 ones. 36 birds in all sitting on the tree. Now, 28 birds flew away. How many birds flew away? 28. 36 minus 28. So 28 flew away. Total number of birds? 36 minus 28. Why? 28 flew away. What is your question? How many birds are left on the tree? We'll have to find out that. 36 minus 28. Let's go to the ones place. 3 tens, 6 ones, 2 tens, 8 ones. In the ones place, you have 6 on the top, 8 ones down. You cannot minus 8 from 6. So, we borrow 1 10 from the tens place. So, we borrow from the 3 tens, we take away 1 10. Balance minus, you will get 2 here. 3 take away 1 is 2. So, you get 2 tens here. Then, this 1 10 we take to the ones place. 1 10 plus 6 ones becomes 16 ones. So, we put 16 here. 16 1 take away 8 ones, the remaining. 16 minus 8 is 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. Good. So, we write 8 here. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 take away 2 is 0. So, your answer is 8. What is your answer? How many birds are left on the tree? There are 8 birds left on the tree. Did you enjoy borrowing 2-digit numbers? Yes. Now, what problems you are enjoying? I hope so. Let's go to the next problem. Look what you have here. Read the problem together with me. There are 87 books in our shelf. How many books in the shelf? There are 87. Out of them, 28 are storybooks. 38 are storybooks. What is the remaining number of books on the shelf? Let's find. Total number of books in the shelf, 8 tens, 7 ones. 8 tens, 7 ones. 38 are storybooks. Number of storybooks, 87 minus 38. So, 87 total number of books minus 38 storybooks. Let's find what is the remaining number of books. We have 8 tens, 7 ones, 3 tens, 8 ones. Now, let's go to the ones place. You have 7 ones on the top, 8 ones down. You cannot minus 8 from 7. The 7 number is small. 8 is bigger than 7. So, we go to this 8 10. We borrow 1 10 to take it to the ones place. So, 8 tens minus 1 10 is 7 balance. The 1 10 when we take it here, 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 minus 8. 17 ones minus 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 is 9. 17 ones minus 8 ones is 9 1. And here you have 7 ones minus 3 ones is 4 ones. 7 tens minus 3 tens is 4 tens. 7 minus 3 is 4. 87 minus 38, your answer is 49. Total number of books, 87. Number of storybooks, 38. The remaining books, 49. The answer is there are 49 books remaining on the shelf. Did you enjoy borrowing? 2-digit subtraction problem? Good. Shall we go to another sum? Look. Let's read together. There are 68 apples in a basket. 19 apples got rotten. What is rotten? Spoiled. 19 apples got rotten. How many good apples left? Good. Total number of apples in a basket, 6 tens, 8 ones. We put it here, 6, 8, 68. Number of apples rotten, 1, 10, 9 ones. 68 minus 19. 68 minus 19. And that's how we'll find the answer. Let's go to the ones place. You have 8 ones and you have 9 ones. 9 ones take away 8 ones. Cannot do that because 9 is bigger than 8. Now we are going into borrowing from the tens, 1 10, and we'll bring it to the ones place. 6 tens minus 1 10. Balance 5 tens. That 1 10 we take it here. 10. 1 10 plus 8 ones, 18. 1 10 plus 8 1, 18. 18 ones minus 9 ones. What is your answer? 9 ones. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 9. 18 ones, take away 9 ones. The answer is 9 ones. Now here you have 5 tens minus 1 10 gives you 4 10. 5 minus 1, 4. 68 minus 19, your answer is 49. 68 minus 19 is 49. So what is the answer? How many good apples are left? The 49 good apples are left. There are 49 good apples. Did you enjoy word problems in 2-digit subtraction with borrowing? Did you learn to borrow? Good.